Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at Trophy Motorsport and we have a huge project ongoing on our client's brand new 2023 BMW M4 Competition. Right after our client collected his car, he ordered a bunch of parts from us, and here are the parts that we are going to fit onto this M4 Competition. So basically what we have here is a full Adro kit and also this Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. The Akrapovic exhaust consists of this titanium rear slip-on line that comes with a pair of beautiful carbon fiber tailpipes, and also for the front link pipe section is also made out of titanium material as well. With this Akrapovic exhaust installed on the G82 M4 Competition, there will be some significant performance improvements whereby you will get around 35 horsepower increase and also 39 Newton meters of torque increase over the factory system. While for the weight reduction, it will be around 16.7 kilograms lighter than the factory exhaust. These tailpipes are exclusively designed for the new M3 and M4 Competition. So on the inside, this is actually titanium material, while on the outer layer, these are carbon fiber. And once we install this on the M4 Competition, it will definitely looks way better compared to these factory exhaust tailpipes. As for the Adro kit, our client opted for a full kit. So the package comes with this brand new design front bumper alongside with this brand new design front grills, a carbon fiber front lip with the carbon fiber side skirts, and to the rear we have a brand new design carbon fiber rear diffuser, and this definitely looks a lot more aggressive compared to the factory diffuser. Also, the package comes with this beautiful swan neck design carbon fiber rear wing for the G82. Once we get all these parts installed on the G82, not only that the car will sound a lot louder and more aggressive, and also it will definitely looks a lot better. We have removed the factory exhaust out of the G82 M4 Competition and put it side by side to compare with the Akrapovic exhaust. So here is how the factory system looks like. First of all, we have a very huge rear muffler on the rear section, and down to the center you can see that there's two center resonators on the middle section, and also this secondary catalytic converters. So with this factory exhaust system, there's so many filters to filter out the sound on the G82 M4 Competition, and that's why with the factory exhaust, the car doesn't sound loud at all. So we'll definitely have to install this Akrapovic exhaust to let the G82 sounds great again. So now let's go through some of the specs of this particular car and also talk about some of the upgrades that the owner has did on his M4 Competition. Let's start from the interior. On the interior, we can see that this car has the orange and black interior and upholstery. On the 2023 LCI facelift M4 Competition, it comes with the brand new iDrive 8, so you get this very large touchscreen display. So also on the center console, these are all carbon fiber. The dashboard, carbon fiber, and also the steering wheel with carbon fiber bits, and the red M1 M2 button, and also this carbon fiber pedal shifters. While on the exterior, the car is painted in this very eye-catching Sao Paulo yellow color. The wheels are finished off in chrome black, and also the red calipers, and this carbon fiber roof. The owner did some upgrades. First of all, this M4 CSL tail lights that looks incredible. While on the front, the owner has swapped out the original DRL modules and replaced with Yellow DRL modules. With this Yellow DRL modules installed on the G82, especially on the Sao Paulo yellow, it looks a lot better and looks very aggressive. After a few days of hard work, we finally completed the G82 M4 Competition project for our client's car. So what we have installed is the Adro full kit and also a titanium exhaust system from Akrapovic. Now this is how the Adro front bumper looks like on the G82. It definitely looks a lot better compared to the factory bumper. So it has a brand new design front grille, much smaller compared to the factory bumper, and also the front bumper inserts have been totally redesigned. Alongside with these inserts, also the kit comes with this beautiful carbon fiber front lips that give the car a very aggressive look. While on the side profile, we have installed the carbon fiber side skirts from Adro. So the side skirts have this little extension, and on the rear, this Adro carbon fiber rear diffuser is definitely one of the best looking diffuser in the market currently for the G82. It looks very aggressive compared to some of the other brands. And with this diffuser installed, it matches perfectly with the Akrapovic octagonal shaped carbon fiber tailpipes. And also to complete the look, we have installed the swan neck carbon fiber rear spoiler. So with this carbon fiber rear spoiler installed, it gives the car a very sporty and also aggressive look, especially from the rear. Here it is, we have completed one of our most exciting projects on our client's 2023 LCI G82 M4 Competition. We have installed this beautiful Akrapovic exhaust system. Let us know in the comment section how does this Akrapovic exhaust sounds. We have also installed this Adro full kit for the G82, and it looks absolutely amazing. It changes the whole looks of the M4 Competition. So let us know in the comment sections as well, how does this Adro kit looks on the M4 Competition? How do you like the Adro front bumper compared to the factory front bumper? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects in the future.